Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we were able to going to check for the jobs in a company called Altimetric. So let's jump into the video. So please as soon as you log into the Google Chrome, just open google360.com. I would be sharing that link in the description. Once you have opened that, you will get a web page like this. And then now you can check for the job is SDET engineer. It's in testing team in a company called Altimetric. The job is in Bangalore. Let's open the link and apply for the job. So as soon as you click on the link, you'll get more information. Just click on apply for job. You'll get another link here. Once you clicked on apply for job, you'll get a link appeared here. Once it is appeared, just open the link. As soon as the link is opened, you can check when the job is posted, in which location the job is, and what is the company name and what is the company role. So just scroll down and let's see. There is a lot of definition about the job. What should you do, what you should not do. Everything is in this role definition. You can pause the video and read the role definition. I'll go down. Yep. So here is something, what kind of person they are looking for. So they are looking for a person who have minimum 3+ years of experience, strong experience in UI automation using Selenium WebDriver, good experience in automation and validation using image comparison aspects, hands-on coding using Java collection, scripting experience in one or more of the following: JavaScript, Perl, Ruby, Python, shell scripts, and exposure to on-demand execution services like Selenium, Grid, SourceLab, Perfecto, and you need to have exposure on SQL, Oracle, or MySQL or MongoDB, and experience with Agile development, Scrum, experience with CI/CD, Git, SVNS, Jenkins, and Bamboo. So these people are looking for a person with strong technical skills. And what is functional competency? IT, software development, digital solutions. Background is mandatory. Okay, good understanding of technology of software development methodologies, especially as relating to develop custom software for customers using Agile principles. So guys, these people are looking for a tester, and they need to have a solid technical skills to join in this role. Then let's see how to apply for this job first. I just clicked on apply now. So you need to create an account to apply for our career opportunities. Once you have created an account, it will guide you the ways on how to apply for the job. And my standard salary recommendation for this role, considering the role, considering the location, and 3+ years of experience, my standard salary recommendation for this role is 12 LPA, folks. I mean 12 or more than 12 LPA. So the reason that I have given 12 LPA is because Bangalore is costly, so that is the reason. And let's see what other jobs are in this company. Let's click on this and just open the jobs. So here you go. Just scroll down. So there are total 15 jobs in India, and this company is an MNC. It is in lot of countries, like 6 to 10 countries if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong to comment in the comment section. So they are also having position for engineer, IT infrastructure and operations, ER DevOps engineer, technical lead, enterprise, SDET engineer. This is the job that we are looking. SH, others, all technology, principal architect, data engineering, Java full stack developer, DevOps engineer, Java backend, senior front-end engineer, enterprise application solution, front-end engineer, SFDC engineer, and senior engineer, data engineering. So these are some different jobs available in this company. Feel free to apply before someone occupies this job. And let's see the standard salary for this job. Testing tool called Glassdoor. I am using this tool from more than 10 years. so that I can find the salaries, the reviews, the latest jobs, the benefits, and the photos if someone is interested. So this company is headquartered in Southfield, Miami, if I'm not wrong. So let's check for the salaries. Just click on the salaries here. So you'll get a bright picture on how I'm telling you the salaries and what is the salary you can expect. For senior software engineer roles, these people are paying 14 lakh. For staff software engineer, 16 lakh 70,000. Staff engineers, 18 lakhs. And you might get additional pay as well, like no variable pay. Just scroll down. See, software engineer salary is 10 lakh. This is how I have given standard salary recommendation for the job earlier. Senior engineers 13 lakh 12,000. Senior staff engineer 20 lakh 43,375. So in this way you can apply for the jobs and you can check for the standard salary recommendation, guys. So this is how it works, and I hope you are able to find this video useful. And if you like this video, please do share it with job seekers, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye, guys.